Hello, I am Dr. Che, and in this video we would write model letter number 8. This is model letter number 8 part 1. As you know, this is IELTS task 1 general training writing course. Please subscribe to my channel, look at the description box for updates and links to my Facebook groups, like and comment to encourage me. Share with other students to help them, subscribe and press bell icon to get more free courses on vocabulary, grammar, writing, speaking, listening and reading also. This is an overview of my letter writing course. As you can see, I have started from first overview of general training, band descriptors, types of IELTS letters, how to write formal, informal and semi-formal letters, top 10 tips for IELTS writing, common phrasal verbs, what is contraction, how we use it, useful language for letters of complaint, inquiry, request, help, permission, apology and many more. Then I would write more than 12 model letters in my course. So open playlist of my channel and watch complete course in order. Link is given below in the description box. This is an overview of my channel. If you go to playlist of my channel, you can see there is an essay writing course 54 videos, grammar course advanced 50 videos, vocabulary course 73 videos if you go to playlist of my channel. So this is our task for today. This is the letter number 8. You work for an international company and would like to spend 6 months working in its head office in another country. Write a letter to your manager. In your letter, explain why you want to work in the company's head office for 6 months. Say how your work could be done while you are away. Ask for his or her help in arranging it. So this is our letter for today. Let us first of all underline the keywords. You are working for an international company. Work for international company. You are working for an international company. Would like to spend 6 months in head office in another country. So all of this is important. Letter is to your manager. So this is very important. First bullet point is why you want to work in company's head office for 6 months. In company's head office, you can underline also. These are keywords. How your work could be done while you are away. Ask for his or her help in arranging it. Here it refers to the manager. So you are asking for his help to arrange this visit. So after reading the question, we have to decide whether it is formal, informal or semi-formal letter. In this case, you are writing to your manager. Manager is a high post in a company, so it would be a formal letter. It would be a formal letter. Now you can say that there is no name given in the letter, so I would write dear sir or madam. Let us discuss it later on. So after deciding that it is formal or informal letter, it is a formal letter, we have to see how many pieces of information there are that we have to write. Why you want to work, how your work could be done. One piece of information, ask for help, one piece of information. So these are 3 pieces of information here. So after that, let us brainstorm our ideas. Why you want to work in company's head office? You can make it up anything in your mind. So first of all, I would give some background information about my job, my current job, or why I want. So I want to work 6 months in a company's head office in a foreign country to get some experience. And this experience is to get promotion. To get promotion. To get a promotion. So because why I want so this is to get a promotion, but you can work here in over your own country also in the company's office. But why in a head office? Because in a head office, senior employees are there. Senior employees are there. So when you are away, how can do your work? Just give some background about your work, what your pending work, and then give some any your colleague that can do it. You can say he was working with me and something is left. I would say that there was a contract with the company that I was working on, and later on I have there is only one meeting that is pending, and we have to sign the last contract, the last meeting, arrange last meeting, something like that. You can imagine in your mind. And the last thing is how the manager can help you. So in this case, he can sign my final documents to work there. He can talk to the head office, something like that you can say. So after that, we have to uh, arrange our letters. So first of all, we would start with dear, and then, as you know, this is to your manager, not a bank manager that you don't know, or any other company manager you don't know, where you have purchased something. He is your own manager, you know him very well. But this would not be semi-formal or informal, it would be a formal letter. So it would be better, in my opinion, to write his name, dear Mr. Jones, or something like that, because you know him already, instead of saying dear sir or madam. After that, you would write your intro. In intro, as it is formal, you would directly write your purpose. Then in first body, you would write first body paragraph, you would write first bullet point, second bullet point, third bullet point, and then you would write closing. So let us start writing our purpose here. Dear Mr. Jones, you can put a dot here, and you can put also without dot. Without dot is a bit more advanced. My purpose is, I am writing, I would not use contraction because it is an informal letter. I am writing to ask for the opportunity. I am writing to ask for the opportunity to work in the company's head office. I am writing to ask for the opportunity to work in the company's head office for the next 6 months. I am writing to ask for the opportunity to work in the company's head office for the next 6 months. So this is my purpose. Now I am going to write my first body paragraph. I would do this in my second part of video. So after watching my complete letter writing course, you would be able to write very good letters. But always remember, before taking your final exam, always get some feedback from any true IELTS expert. I would also start my correction service in the last 6 months of 2021. I would work together with an IELTS expert from UK, a native English teacher preferably, to provide you advanced, comprehensive and cheap writing correction service. This is my Facebook ID. Stay in touch with me if I can start this service earlier. Please subscribe to my channel. Look at the description box for updates and links to my Facebook groups. Like and comment to encourage me. Share with other students to help them. And subscribe and press bell icon, this one, to get more free courses on vocabulary, grammar, writing, speaking, listening and reading also. Thank you very much.